Welcome to this video where we will guide you on how to pack a diaper bag for traveling with a baby. When it comes to traveling with a baby, being prepared is key. The first main point is to pack the essential items like diapers, wipes, and a changing pad to handle diaper changes. Another important aspect is clothing. Ensure you have enough outfits for each day, considering the weather at your destination. The third point emphasizes the importance of packing feeding supplies, such as bottles, formula or breast milk, bibs, and burp cloths. Additionally, comfort items like a favorite blanket, pacifiers, toys, and a small stuffed animal are vital to keep your baby calm and entertained during the journey. Follow these tips to ensure you have a well-packed diaper bag for your travels. When it comes to packing a diaper bag for traveling with a baby, starting with the essentials is crucial. The first main point is to pack an ample supply of diapers, ensuring you have enough for the duration of your trip. Wipes are another essential item to include, as they are necessary for keeping your baby clean and fresh. Additionally, don't forget to pack a changing pad, which provides a clean and comfortable surface for diaper changes. These three items, diapers, wipes, and a changing pad, are fundamental for ensuring you are fully prepared for any diaper changes that may arise during your journey. After packing the essential items in the diaper bag, the next main point is to ensure you have enough clothing for your baby. It is important to pack outfits for each day of your trip, taking into consideration any potential emergencies or accidents that may require extra clothing. Additionally, remember to consider the weather conditions of your destination. If you are heading to a colder climate, pack warm, layered clothing, while for warmer climates, lightweight and breathable outfits are ideal. By packing enough clothing and being mindful of the weather, you can ensure your baby stays comfortable and well-dressed throughout the journey. When it comes to feeding supplies, there are several important items to pack in your diaper bag. The main focus is on bringing enough bottles for your baby's feeding needs. If you are using formula, be sure to pack enough powdered formula or pre-mixed bottles. If you are breastfeeding, bring breast milk in appropriately sealed containers. Along with bottles, don't forget to pack bibs and burp cloths to keep your baby clean during and after feeding. If your baby has started eating solids, include jars of baby food or snacks that are suitable for their age. By packing these feeding supplies, you can ensure your baby's nourishment during your travels. To ensure your baby's comfort during travel, it's essential to pack comfort items in your diaper bag. The main point is to bring along a favorite blanket, as it provides familiarity and security for your baby. Pacifiers are also crucial to soothe and calm your baby during the journey. In addition, pack a few toys to keep your baby entertained and occupied. These can include soft toys, rattles, or interactive toys. Lastly, don't forget to include a small stuffed animal, which can provide comfort and companionship for your little one. These familiar comfort items will help create a soothing and enjoyable environment for your baby during the trip. In conclusion, by following these packing tips, you can ensure that you have everything you need in your diaper bag for traveling with a baby. Packing the essential items like diapers, wipes, and a changing pad will ensure you are prepared for any diaper changes that may arise. Remember to pack enough clothing, considering the weather conditions of your destination. Bringing adequate feeding supplies, such as bottles, formula or breast milk, bibs, and burp cloths, is crucial for your baby's nourishment. Lastly, don't forget to pack comfort items like a favorite blanket, pacifiers, toys, and a small stuffed animal to keep your baby calm and entertained. Wishing you safe travels.